Guys, we're back with Glitchy Guy Plays, and today, sorry, today we will be playing Emergency Landing Beta. I'm going in a private server because there's this new, airplane. It's called the Boeing 707. I think it just came out, and oh, it did not come out. Oh, so I went in a private server so we can actually explore this plane, but it's not out yet. Wait. Is it? Can you maybe access it through here? No, you cannot access it through there. Alright. Let's just go on a public server, I guess. Well, what else should I say? We'll just go on a public server anyway. Well, that's a lot of people, man. Unboxing at approximately one. Okay, there's so much people. I try to be the pilot when I play this game, cause I like flying planes in this game. This game's W in my opinion. Keep playing. Yo, let's go. What? Oh no, what's going on here? I'm not controlling this, by the way. Land on, let me turn down the volume, man. I want y'all to hear me. Land on a bridge, maybe. Alright, the Roblox age verification. This actually ruins the fun. This actually ruins the fun. Okay. I cannot do my co-pilot stuff anymore. Oh, we're going to the Roblox Farlands, as you can see. I've done that on my first ever video. So, there's no point of communicating with people when there's verification, man. There's no point of telling them what to do, man. I'm talking to air, basically. What? Where's my screen recorder? Hold on a sec. Update, here it is. Anyway. Let me turn this up. How long has this guy been flying? Even the whole plane is starting to shake. How? This guy has been flying for a very while, I think. Oh. Okay. Heat-induced instrument failure? It would be cool if he tried to land on that bridge. Oh no. Now we really are cooked, man. Now we really are cooked. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah, we're cooked now. GG's, everyone. Wait, what? Oh, GG's. How many people are there? People, including me. 18 people with me included in that number. Wait a minute. We're not descending? We're climbing? How are we climbing? How are we climbing instead of descending? That engine was so loud. How the heck are we climbing instead of descending? Look. I'll make this bigger for y'all. Look. I don't, you might be able to see. On the altitude, it's like, it's going faster. It's going way faster. I want y'all to see this. It's going faster, look. I mean, it's not going faster, but it's climbing instead of descending. Literally, the only thing that's gonna crash the plane at this point is either the game to finally get its sense of self back, or the whole plane just falls apart at this point. Oh, oopsies, hold on. Here we go. Bro, what? Should I? Oh, it's too dangerous. We're finally descending. We are finally descending. I'll show y'all that again. We are descending. Some loud engines. Gotta set the controls back to normal. There we go. Just in case you guys are wondering, we're cooked. We're cooked. Challenger. Age 26 years. This DC-10, it's had its days. But now those days are over. At least retract the gear, so we can make an actual water landing, man. Those days are over. We've had fun flying you. You've had fun flying, but now it's over. Try not to make the volume so loud so you can actually hear me. Dutch roll. Oh no. We're falling. We're gonna die! 4,000, or no, 5,000 feet, 4,000 feet, 3,000 feet, I mean 200 feet, 100 feet. Oh, we're dead now. We are instantly dead. That went better than expected. That went way better than expected. We landed. We landed safely. And while our character is literally tweaking so badly right now. But can you believe it? We landed, man. We actually landed. Why is the fire not being put out? Our altitude is 0 feet. When is this plane gonna stop? Oh, there we go. It's slowing down. It's slowing down rapidly. There we go. Let's evacuate. Oh my. Open. No, I don't want to sit there. Oh my god. Good thing I have an emergency axe. Oof. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, it's tweaking! Oh my god! Life raft. Open. It's opening. I'm doing it. Let's go. Open! Let's get out of here. Let's break open this other... Oh, sorry. I kind of put my mouth on the microphone. Let's open this door too. Just in case. Just to make sure. Because people these days are pretty lazy. Anyway. Open. By the way, I used an emergency axe for that. I can't just hit open the door. We surprisingly landed safely. That was extremely unfortunate. We landed very safely. We nosed down with a fire in the middle of the plane with control loss and survived. That's actually amazing. Alright, what's this? Oh yeah, don't forget the evacuation slide. Even though we don't really need it. Is there a way to like take the slide off so we can actually float on it maybe? Oh my god, bro. Is there a way? I don't think there's a way, man. Sprint. We? How long has this guy been flying on this map? We are literally noticeably in the Roblox Farlands. It's not too noticeable when you're far, but when you look, what the heck? Oh wait, the Coast Guard boat has been updated. Oh, what's the? Oh no, no, I don't want to close the exterior door. No! Oopsies. Healed up. There we go. The the Coast Guard boat has been updated. I see, like, wait, I have a boat too. I forgot. Has this been updated? Has anything happened to this? Yes, I do notice. It doesn't have the helicopter controls. It used to have the helicopter controls for some reason. Does this even work? It's moving. Start. That's something. I'm gonna be touching my volume so many times while playing this. I'm gonna instantly make another video when the new plane comes out. That's gonna be a pretty cool update, to be honest. Take off, bro. I don't want to wait forever in the boarding process. The only thing fun in the boarding process by now would be if there was snow here. If there was snow here, I could have gotten my. Oh yes, there is snow. Yo, okay, okay. By the way, if there's snow, you can actually take this cleaning thingy and actually what? You can clean the snow. Trust me. What? I want to clean. There we go. And you can actually earn money by cleaning the snow. Wait. Oh my god. There hasn't been a single person my age. By the way, I'm leaking my age. I'm 11 years old. I blended up a ground crew guy. That's unfortunate. At least I'll be making some extra eaglettes while I'm waiting forever for the plane to actually depart. Oh my god! Get away from me, ground crew guy. I want to clean. I want to do my job. Murney. This is actually a pretty cool and satisfying job, too. Also, that's the second reason why I like doing this. And probably the biggest reason. Nah. Okay, I thought I got stuck, man. I thought I got stuck. I might put this as my thumbnail. Hold on. Let's set the thumbnail like this. This might be the thumbnail. Hold on. Here we go. Hold on. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make the thumbnail like this. I'm gonna probably make the thumbnail with one of these. Oh, time to glitch kinda. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, time to actually get in. Here we go. We're in. What's this? We can only talk with people with our age. I am guessing you are near 9 to 12 years old. Is bro even there? Caesarin? Oh, is he? Jake's dogs are the best. That's an awesome username. The age verification thing. That's my actual age, guys. What? Okay. Alright, let me actually fly now, anyway. That was a random talk I had with someone, alright. Blue Jay Airways. Nice. Oh, flaps, buddy. I forgot flaps. Oopsies. Gear up. Here we go. Here we go! What? Oh, that's fine. Now, let's just get to... This actually does not feel that interesting with no one in the chat. I was just counting how many people are in the server. This game actually feels so empty. With no one, like only one person talking in the chat. It actually feels extremely empty. Air traffic. Let's land now, boy. He did not know about the age verification. I thought everyone knew about that. Okay, time to actually descend, man. These guys probably do not know why I'm doing this. And maybe I could have explained if... I'm not gonna say a bad word. I almost did. If Roblox did not roll out this annoying... Oh no! Oh no, we're gonna stall. We might stall. We might get an ice-induced stall, bruh. Oh, fudge! We are close to the airport. Let's land before we get an ice-induced stall. I don't want to stall and die. I want to actually save everyone. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We have to land ASAP. Oh, fudge. Oh. All the way in the back of the plane. Awesome. What the heck? What the heck? Yeah, here we go. I guessed it. Ice-induced stall. Ice-induced stall. I guessed it, yo. Ice-induced stall. Oh, fudge. Why do I have moon gravity? I have moon gravity. Look, I have moon gravity. What? Why do I have moon gravity? This is not. What? What is this? Bruh, what? Okay. What if I try to sprint? Okay, run normally. I'ma just put out the fire. Because I want to, and for extra coins. Oh my god, okay. That is a real fire. Oh my! I hate this random moon gravity thingy. Okay. Buddy, I want to put this fire out somehow. Yo, 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 yo. Here we go, here we go. I'm touching my pinky on the fire. Here, I'm putting out the fire very slowly. People are probably like making fun of me and stuff like that. In the chat, meanwhile. I wish there was a way I could actually communicate with people. This is actually annoying. I'm the pilot. And I actually can't be the co-pilot. I mean, I can. I can still be the co-pilot, but the co-pilot basically, like, I think this is what he does. He, like, tells the pilot what to do. Or no. I think what the co-pilot does, the pilot tells the co-pilot what to do, and the co-pilot, like, touches the controls and stuff. But instead, what I'm doing is... You know what, in this game, what the co-pilots do, in this game, not in real life, in this game, what the co-pilots do, they just, tell the pilot what to do. Because sometimes the pilots are dummies. And, oh, fudge. Here we go. I am on pretty low health right now. But, I'm still putting out the fire, that's a good thing. There we go. I am actually, oh my. I'm gonna be honest. My videos, Roblox videos, might actually start to seem way more boring because of this Roblox 8 verification. Challenging, Boeing 707 won with 48,000 votes. Thank you for voting. You're welcome. To be honest, it's been a while since you played the game. I actually used to play this game and then I stopped and then I started playing again. Cause there was this like notice that said, that he's not gonna be adding any more stuff to the game. He's not gonna be editing the game anymore. And then I just completely left the game and the player count just dropped. And then I don't know what happened, but they started like editing the game and stuff again. What the hell is he doing? And now and then there was just one day when I checked on the game and I saw that it's back up. And these other, trust me, there are way more versions. There are way more versions than these. There were like 5 versions here before. Now there's only 3. Trust. Taking off without flaps. That's awesome. I survived 5 nights. Should I just keep looking at people's avatars? Oh my god, oh my god, you know what? I'm just gonna play the mini game and do something fun while we fly. Mini game, mini plane, mini screen. It's not gonna be a mid-air collision. Trust. It's takeoff, and it's not even that hard of a mode. Fudge. Okay. All right. Oh my god! I was gonna zoom out so less noise from the plane would be heard so you can hear me talking better. Bruh. I think it's kind of doing the up and down glitching thingy, yeah. I think I mentioned that in the previous video. It's a bit weird. And a bit of a cool illusion, too. Oh, okay. Dual engine fail. Oh. I do not care. Let's just pretend we're some iPad kid and we do not care about anything in our surroundings. Fuel control system. Oh my god. You know what? Fine. We're finally landing. Engine runaway. Awesome. A fault is causing excessive fuel to be supplied to an engine uncontrollably increasing its axial speed until it reaches its structural limits. Oh no! Are we stalling? We're gonna land safely, trust. We're gonna land safely. See? What did I tell you? I don't know what this glitch is. I have experienced it before, and it is extremely strange. I've experienced it like twice before. I don't know if I recorded it in a video, but I've experienced it. And now you guys experienced it too. Evacuation slides, deploy. One of my legs are a bit glitched / injured. Moon gravity is not here. The moon gravity glitch. Yo. I'm touching sand for the first time in forever, man. That looks concerning. What's this? Okay, can I spawn a boat? Nope. You know, I'm just gonna, well, oh my god, bro. I'm just gonna launch a boat. What's this generator? Coast Guard. Cylindrical. Rescue boat trailer. Here we go. This is cool. Now, let me actually deploy this. Let me actually put this boat in the water, man. By the way, that is quicksand over there. There's this giant quicksand lake that's extremely close to us. You can see the water kind of moving. That passenger is... What? Oh no! No, don't glitch. Don't fall in. What? Bro. Afton? Oh. That guy literally looked like an NPC. Oh my god. No. Wait a minute. Oh my god, you know what? I'm just gonna drive right into it. I'm just gonna drive right into it, man. Oh my god, bro. Sure. Berm. Rescue boat trailer. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's drive our Coast Guard Car. No, I didn't get to. I didn't get to see the lake, the quicksand lake. That's sad. Oh well. Next mode is gonna be impossible. Yeah. It might be a midair collision, guys. Congrats. We might see the second midair collision of the channel. Oh, look, I'm the co-pilot. That's awesome. Oh, look! The pilot's not here. Let's go. The pilot's not. Let's go. The pilot's not here. I can fly the plane. If you're the co-pilot in this game and the pilot's not here, you can actually take control of the plane as the co-pilot. Here we go. I really wonder what the problem's gonna be. Is there any? Yeah, I know what's the problem already. Fudge! Fudge you! Fudge you! Fudge! Oh no! Oh no! I died. I died. Triple midair collision. I died. Everyone died. Oh, there's the pilot seat. Oof. The whole plane just disintegrated. Can I find one of the AI? Wait. I can still see them, right? Yeah, here. Here's one of them crashing near an airport. Oh, that's something. And here's the other one that just disappeared. Here's our plane. What's? Where's mine? Where am I? Wait. There's a chance if there's like a big giant hole in one of these AI planes and it crashes like near our location, I can actually drive inside it and actually explore. Wait a minute. Oh, there's the airport. I see an airport. Okay. I don't since I do not want to transport people right now for some reason, I'm just gonna get my own independent helicopter. And also different helicopter sounds I noticed. It used to always be like now this is like I don't know if you can notice it, but I think those sounds only happen if you like oh my god, bro, I want to crash into the side of a mountain so y'all can hear the sound. I think that sound only happens when you like flip upside down or something. Or something like that. Yo, oh fudge. Alright. Since we know we'll obviously arrive at the airport safely. See? It only did you hear it? You heard the sound. You heard the sound. It only did it when you like flipped over and something. And when you would drive the helicopter, it would like always, yeah, and it still does, it tilts. And wait. Okay, I thought I was going up for a second. These controls are actually W. It's I thought I saw an actual person typing. Am I going down? Oh, what? Up. The reason I might be going down is because I'm tilting down like this. Trust me, I am not trying to go down. Sure, I'm gonna stay up. Or okay. The game surprisingly rendered me as alive, even though I obviously died. You guys saw me, and it's on vid. Christian dying from a midair collision because Christian dies from a midair collision because Christian dies from a midair collision and is still reported to be alive, caught on camera. Look, now I'm flying the plane and it's insane mode. Let's go. Alright. Fasten your seatbelt. I already did, bruh. Boom. Now let's do the ringing thingy. Yeah, seatbelts should certainly be off. You know what? Look at this. Flaps full. Take off. I do not want a tail strike. Good bull. Good plane. Oh. Okay. If your altitude thingy is glitching, there's a chance that that stalling and hitting the ground hard and still being alive thing may happen. Oh look, that is a very close airport. That is a close airport, man. All right. So far, so good. And we can spec this plane that is still at our that's still parked. Oh look, nice co-pilot, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen, the use of approved portable electronic devices is now permitted.
I'm gonna keep my volume at halfway, actually. I want y'all to hear the quote. I want y'all to hear the engines and stuff, but still, like, yeah, I guess, I don't know. What? Out of all the things that could have happened, out of all the things that could have happened, the wing just snapped off. I'm the only one that died, bruh. I mean, not the only one, but I saw the co-pilot spawn and then. Literally, out of all the little things that could have happened, the wing just fell off. Oh, I can still deploy the evacuation slides. That's cool. I'm gonna try to do that, on every door. I'm gonna try to do some glitches. I mean, my channel name is Glitchy Guy Plays. So, a glitchy guy gotta make glitchy videos doing glitchy things. Yo, look! We got a suntan roof. Yo, look, these passengers are tanning here. Fudge! Sorry! My microphone kind of fell. Sorry, hold on. It's a bit cramped at my desk. Anyway, nice tanning, bruh. Sorry, I think you tanned too much. You look a bit dead. I'm gonna revive you, mister. What the? Did bruh just get flung? Okay, I have no idea where that went, but I think he got flung I think he got flung to the moon, man. Okay, let's actually deliver this guy. Where do I go? Oh, there. You're welcome, boy. Gotta time this quick. That was a bit too slow, I think. Where's okay? There. So these guys are all here. Wee you. What? The boots open. Wait, what? Wait, this is another one of them. The updates. Yo, wait. What? Wait. Is that? Are you supposed to be able to walk through there? Let's transport this casualty inside this ambulance. Bruh. Oh my god! Okay, here. I see my flare got. Oh, okay. We respawned, and I did not survive. How I know that is I did not get any monies. Why does the 737s why does the 737 mostly get the hardest modes, man? And why is there like 2,000 737s in the game? Ocean mode, that's awesome. Okay, sure. Ocean. I'm glad I'm not the pilot. I swear. Okay, okay, I want to fly. Teleport to cockpit. I think I'll be the one flying. Fudge. Oh! Oh, I actually screwed her! If your plane is a little bit lifted off the ground, in this game you're kind of screwed. Because there's a possible chance you can tail strike, and then since the people in this game don't really they just the plane crashes and kills everyone, they blame the pilot. Even though sometimes it was not their fault. When the tail strikes, which is mostly normal, they're all gonna blame it on the pilot. This is wait. And if she overruns, we're gonna blame it on the pilot. Uh oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. She did not tail strike. She did not tail strike. We're good. Engine gogs. Oil gogs. And just the right amount of oil. Yeah, I can't guide you, my lad. But if you're hearing this, then, return to the airport if you can, kinda. After this emergency, I'm probably gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the video, when this plane crashes. What's this? Burk hot. I think that means break hot. Worm. I think that means wing fire. This guy does not know how to fly, man. At least retract the gear. We're gonna stall. We're gonna stall if you don't retract the gear, buddy. Buddy, what are you doing? At least retract the gear if you know how to fly. If I were him, if I were her, I could have been descending by now, man. I don't mean to make fun of people when I'm playing games and stuff, but I'm just saying what you're doing is not correct. Alright. I have 3 Roblox, old Roblox X's on me. 1, 2, 3. That's awesome. Alright. What just flew out? What just... You might not be able to hear me from this. I'm gonna talk while I'm in the loud, burning fire. This isn't a good idea. You might not hear me and you won't. This pilot genuinely does not know how to fly. This pilot actually does not know how to fly. I think I saw what got, flung out. The only way you can save this is if you keep speed brake to 0, flaps 0, gear up, and then just nosedive down with the throttle at 100%. That's what I do. But okay, this is not the glitch. This is not the glitchy thingy. We're actually stalling. Yeah, we're dead. We're dead. What? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's bad. Okay, thought we were actually gonna land safely for some reason. Both of my legs are very injured. Yo, cockpit voice recorder. Let's go. Sprint. Why? Why am I sitting? What? I'm walking in the sitting position. Make me stand, buddy. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge, I might actually be cooked. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no. That's the most annoying and the most dangerous thing to happen to you in this game, man. Oh, fudge. I don't want to die when I go here. Oh, no. Someone died. That's sad. Oh, my God. And I'm about to be next. Oh, I want to... Oh, fudge. Okay. Oh, no. I did it. I kind of flipped my boat, though. Oh, no. That's a bit bad. Get this, bro. Bro, get in. Bro, stop it. I want to get in my boat. Oh my god, bro. Coast Guard roll. Vehicle. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna have to look through this whole list. Where is my boat? Oh. Guys, I cannot click the coast. I cannot click the Coast Guard button. Fudge. Fudge, man. I do not see. Let me just say. Rigid inflatable. Oh my. Okay, everyone's going to my boat. No! No! These guys are pushing it away. These. Bro! You mindless people! Stop pushing my boat away! Okay, at least we're somewhat faster. Okay, it all stopped. Stop. Okay, they reset. Die, bro. Life vest. Look. Get me in! Let me sit. This is my own boat! What? Why can't I sit in my own boat? Okay, at least I teleported back to spawn. Alright. What's in here? Oh, nothing. That's all for Glitchy Guy Plays for today, I guess. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video on Glitchy Guy Plays. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down on whatever other video idea you want me to make. Glitchy Guy Plays out.